So yeah, on to the next project. Gonna be brake pads, rotors, and painting the calipers. Cause this thing is dirty and it's time to do an upgrade. So yeah, let's do this. What's up, it's your boy the Verse Official, back again with another video. And in this video it's a little bit something different. Gonna be working on my car. Sorry, I'm driving on the highway, which I shouldn't be on my phone. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this video real short right here, this intro. But yeah, I'm just gonna be working on my rotors, my brake pads, and also painting my brake calipers. And yeah, I'm gonna shut up now so I can focus on this road and get to the house. And I gotta stop by Harbor Freight first to get some painter's tape and some plastic so I don't jack up my car at all. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. All right, got the car up on 2 jack stands and 2 jacks. I didn't have 4 jack stands, so yeah, I gotta use what I have. It's late at night. Got caught up doing other stuff earlier, but I'm trying to get this done, most of it done tonight, and try to finish up the rest tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and take off all 4 wheels. Go ahead and take the calipers off, take the rotors off. I'm not gonna put the new ones on until after I spray paint the calipers, but first I'm gonna go ahead and sand off the calipers and all the debris and all of that, and then go ahead and use Germex and a microfiber cloth, clean it off, let it dry a little bit, then go ahead and spray the first coat on, wait about 20 or 30 minutes, then spray the next coat. Probably do about 3 or 4 coats, just depending on how it looks, because I don't want to have to go back and redo it again. So enough talking, and let me go ahead and get all this stuff taken care of. So yeah, got the tires off now. Gonna go ahead and take the calipers off and let you guys see what the color of the calipers look like as of before. You guys will be able to see it after as well. But yeah, I'm gonna change out the rotors for the drilled and slotted. Just doing this whole thing because my car, every time that I brake, even slightly, the car just shakes like whatever that noise is. Yeah. But yeah, it vibrates and shakes like crazy, so that's why I'm changing out the rotors, brake pads. While I have all that off, gonna go ahead and paint the calipers. And my underglow, I don't know what's going on. I think it's because of all the crazy Texas weather we've been having with the rain and the heat and the rain. It somehow, excuse me, anthrax powder fart. Somehow it messed up my underglow. So now this whole side right here does not work. Maybe just like right here it works, but this whole side in the back, resuming, sneezing too much. Oh man, this weather. But yeah, got all the tires off. Gonna go ahead and get the rest of this taken off. It's late, I'm sorry. I am tired, I am exhausted. Somebody kept me up. Could not sleep, did sleep. And then got this crazy project I'm trying to finish within a couple of days before I go back to work on Friday. So yeah, hopefully by this time this video is up, hopefully on the weekend. If not, probably by Monday. But it is Tuesday now. So yeah, I do all my editing, everything myself. So that's why it takes me a little bit of time. And then I get caught up with other things as well. So enough of the blabbing, let me go ahead and get into the next step. All right, day number 2, which is really still one day, but I started late last night. Yeah, make sure that you have the correct tools to do this. A lot of people were saying different sizes, but let me go ahead and tell you and try to show you. All right, so basically on the back of the caliper right here, to get these 2 bolts out, they are a 13mm socket. I used a 6-point. And then the back 2 bolts, which are right here that hold the actual caliper, are, I don't even know why I'm thinking about it. It's actually an 18. So I went ahead, well, you can see right here, if it gets clear. It's an 18 millimeter. It fits on there perfectly. If I can do this with one hand. And I got this one, this rocker one, because it's kind of a tight squeeze to get inside of there and undo it. And make sure that you have a torque wrench. Also got that from Harbor Freight as well. The set that I got right here from Harbor Freight is the Pittsburgh, the 1/2-inch driver to go with my 1/2-inch drive torque wrench. And it has the main ones you need, which is the 18 and the 21. 18 millimeter for the back bolts that actually hold the caliper, and the 21 for the front. A lot of people didn't tell the sizes like I said before, and yeah, I kind of wasted all morning trying to use the sizes that everyone else was telling me. But here is the 21, and it fits right on the back of this bolt right here perfectly. And then also it'll give me some room to be able to torque it out, because you're met with the strut right here. So if you try to get the long ones, yeah, you're not gonna get the torque wrench in there at all. And this just helps out a lot to be able to get those off. So now I can actually finally start really working on this. Okay, let me get to it. All right, that's the old rotors right there. And versus the new ones, slotted and drilled. They are directional, so just make sure that whenever you guys are doing this, that you have it on the correct side. This one right here is for this one. This is going in that pattern. And the other one side here is going the opposite way. Until it's go on the driver's side. Time to get back to work. I gotta clean all of this up right here. I'm gonna get all that cleaned up. And before I even put that on, I gotta spray paint and do everything with the caliper. So let me get right back to it. All right, got all the caliper braces off. Oh man, that was exhausting. So yeah, I got the front, gotta clean those up as well. Gotta clean the back ones all off. And golly, this front one as well. I was gonna paint this part black, but it's already black, gloss black, but it is dirty as crap. So I just gotta wash it up, so that saves me a little bit of a headache. And as well as this one. So, golly, yeah, enough talking, right back to work. After I sand these caliper mounts down and get them all clean and finished, these are the old boots, which they're still pretty good, but the new brake pads come with new ones, so I'm just gonna go ahead and replace those. And back to work. So I took the braces off, of course. And this is about the third coat. It's turning out pretty good so far. Just sprayed it about 5 minutes ago. Dries really fast if it's hot outside, so works in my favor because I'm tired. So got that done. I had to take off my underglow because I guess with all this crazy Texas weather, even though it was waterproof, water somehow still got in there, of course, because it floods like crazy. So I cut those off. I'm gonna be installing new ones a little bit longer. That way it has more coverage than what it already did before. So yeah, that's what that junk is right there. And I'm gonna finish cutting all the wire off of that. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit more again. And gonna shave all this rust off of here as well. With this bad boy. Makes life a lot easier. So yeah. Oh God, I'm tired. Alright, got all 4 of them painted. Not perfect, but good enough. Also cleaned up these right here that go inside of the caliper brackets. I don't know what they're called, so yeah. And got these cleaned up as good as I could get them clean. Yeah, it's just a long day, so yeah, ready to get right back to it. All right, now it's late at night, about 12 o'clock. Been cleaning up a lot and doing other little tedious work on the car. It's not as simple as just taking the rotors and calipers and caliper mount and all that off and just throwing it back on. I'm a perfectionist when it comes to stuff, as much as I can get it perfect as I want it or what my standards are. But yeah, just trying to get it done at this point, but also not trying to cut corners or half-ass, as you can say, excuse my language. But yeah, I got most of it clean back here. I used this brake cleaner and sprayed the drum, like everything, all back here. And I also used this drill and, oh, it's blurry, but my drill and this little wire brush as well. Golly, the camera can't even clear up or focus. But yeah, that saved me a lot of time as well. And then using the brake cleaner just really made that chrome pop. So not like it really matters because it's not gonna be seen anyway, but I don't have to worry about so much rust being around it as it was before, because it was horrible. So yeah. All right, whole new day. Yeah, I masked off my car. A bit of overkill, but I didn't want to take any chances with getting any type of paint on this white car, even though it's dirty and needs to be clean. But masked it all off, did my first coat of paint. Have the caliper mounts right there covered up because they're already completed and finished and dry. Just wanted to get them out the way. I didn't want to leave them on the floor if something happened to get overspray on them. But kind of have these masked off. First coat, like I said. Gonna do the second coat in a second. Just giving you guys a kind of run around of what it looks like so far. But yeah, gonna spray the second coat. Then gonna go ahead and wash my rims, behind the rims, and in front of the rims, the tires, and scrub them really good to get all that brake pad dust, and probably use a degreaser as well for that in the back so they can look brand new and fresh. And yeah, let's get to this second coat. Finally clean the front of the rims. Gonna go ahead and put some tire shine on it or something like that. Maybe some Black Magic. Yeah, but not today. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car tomorrow once I get everything finished. This is about the fourth coat. I'm probably gonna do one more coat of paint on here and then go ahead and start putting it together in the next hour or so. Just gonna let it thoroughly dry. Go ahead and put the new rotors on and try to get this thing completed tonight. Hopefully. Maybe by like 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning at best. All right, finally got the rear rotor on, as well as got it painted, the caliper bracket, everything, the grease on the back as well. I say as well a lot, so yeah, get used to it. Go ahead and put the tire back on this one and get to the other side. Alright, got all 4 of them, well, all 3 of them on, except for the last 4th tire. It's been a long journey finishing this car up. But just gotta throw the wheel on this one, torque it to the specs, 100 foot-pounds of torque. Yeah, so the actual mounting brackets for the front is 70 foot-pounds of torque, and then these right here are 44, and the rear is 85 for the mounting bracket, and then 23 for the caliper bolts. All right, got everything completed. Got the hood popped up because I'm gonna probably put some more brake fluid in there, as well as a little bit more engine coolant, but gotta wash the car now. And these dang birds, it is 3 o'clock in the morning and you fart faces are awake. Can't even do a video. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pack everything up, trying to clean everything up now. Gonna get rid of these old rotors, probably sell them because they're perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with them. They probably just need resurfacing, but that's about it. No cracks, and really it's not even uneven, it's still smooth. But yeah, getting rid of those and gonna wash the car, but gonna go inside, shower up, hit the gym for about a couple hours, and then yeah, enjoy this ride. So that's gonna be it for this video. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. I probably said the word wrong or jacked up, but I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next video. Got a lot more content coming soon. If you haven't, smash that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Boom. And stay tuned in for the new stuff. Later.
Trying to reach for the stars, gotta grind on a daily, and I've been working so hard. I did this since a baby, and I was going so far.